You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. This is essentially an oven or furnace for burning, baking, an oven, right? But it's also the name of different places and towns in different countries, the United States, Australia, England. Now, the word itself, the noun, is pronounced as kiln, with an N that is normally pronounced, or at least that's how dictionaries, how it's always been academically pronounced, kiln, okay? Now, some argue that it's pronounced kill, and it might be the case for some places with a silent N, kill, and even when you pronounce the N, it's more often than not really pronounced or heard very clearly. So kiln, you don't really have to insist on it, so most people say it kiln, so you don't really hear the N. But normally, in standard English, it is pronounced kiln. Sometimes the N is silent. Kiln. How do you say it yourself? Let us know, and why, and for which place do you pronounce it that way in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.